what could be causing my campaigns to receive 0 impressions even after I've adjusted the bids up and down multiple times. Okay, so let's zoom out for clarity. When we receive 0 impressions, usually it can be meaning just because you increased and decreased your bids is not a guarantee that the bid is something that would put your product in front of people. The first thing is going to be maybe is simply that the bid is too low. The second thing that could be is the search volume for that particular keyword is so low that no one is looking for it. If your CPC, let's exaggerate just a bit, or maybe in your category, if it's applicable, let's like talk real talk. If it's $10 a CPC or $20 a CPC, like one click, then you would have at least proof that CPC is high. But if you don't have like that proof either, that usually means is the search volume is very, very low. Now, something else that could happen is indexing. So you would look into, am I indexing for that particular keyword that I'm running ads for? If the bids are high, it's a $10 bid and your average bid is $2. So then you show up somewhere, ideally on top of search. And the way how you would do this, you would open up an incognito page and see there if your product is showing up, right? If it's showing up on the first page, top of search, it means that the $10 bid, it's going to guarantee you the top of search placement. You might not be paying the $10, but that is the bid that it's bringing you there, right? Second thing, you are going to look into the search volume. So if there's specific search volume for that particular keyword, that means that it might be an indexing issue. So that's something that we're seeing on our end.